Ngayon lang kakata din ha. Meetup na lang. Love it guys. Guys. Ito ni he. Kaung kizot diyo he. Kung lang piang yung. Lang kisanang ko yung. Ay kilhan pidian ini bebo guys.
Ground suna nga bon sabi nga nun nati kinobin miya na chan laudiw he.
Ako tiya tinalo. Siya ako biyan mo, siya dani ako diyan ya. Ay kisute ito ove guys.
Kabe banali si tuma ay may tampen de.
Gra nga yung kumhaw la kadim sa diyo ya. Try la ho kisute ito wa. Ang kumhaw la pati ya.
Agam na di ba mo jong isinayun lang ground na ano sa tao te.
Boy Zang.
Isong kalo kihe ko na din ito ko kihe ko na din. Jaham bolo
Tu ni kong kizot de
ya
sa
sari. Sarwa ki sendu he.
Evidence number 1 in action against extremist Mayday outfits despite voluminous FIRs and non-perpetrators. Weapons looting from state armories used to massacre Kuki civilians, the rape, murder, and stripping off of Kukizo women without a single conviction, the unconstitutional manipulation of police jurisdictions, public incitement to violence by leaders of radical outfits and former officials. Rather than responding with justice, the state has escalated its persecution. Number 2, recent developments that warrant immediate intervention. Number 1, new arbitrary arrest on 6 June 2025. The arrest of Mr. Thang Miao Kipken and Mr. Kam Thang Gangte, both peaceful or innocent civilians, has triggered widespread fear and frustration. These arrests occur despite public appears and ongoing protests, and were carried out with no transparency or due legal process. Number 2, pattern of ethnic targeting. These are not isolated arrests, they form part of a deliberate pattern of selective targeting where only Kuki-Zo citizens are investigated, detained, and vilified, while radical Mayday outfits like Arambay Dengol and Mayday Lipun continue to operate freely. Number 3, institutional disregard for women voices. The voices of tribal mothers, daughters, and sisters have been repeatedly ignored despite our peaceful mobilization and democratic appeal.
Ang kipat diyo te. Hello guys. Hello guys. Ini coba. Government na kisi nila.
This is government. Money from government.
Lihat kasi hal tabe kakipat ba de guys. Ano sa? Ciri.
Ano ka pinili?
Ngatro na. Lihat pa yung kakak din.
We want
slogan sa pada ke honi kan.
Do not oppress the cookie. Human rights, see? Human rights is people's rights.
Lah di lah ni.
Arbitrary arrest. Stop. Arbitrary arrest. Stop. We want justice. We conduct selective justice. We conduct selective justice. We conduct selective justice. Do not oppress the
Nuhi tau.
human rights. Do not oppress the cookie. Human rights. Human rights is people's right. Human rights is people's right. Did you know that people that you hindi? Ito pa ay ahead sin no mahal eh. Adlat yung pala isa yung ajo bihar sa ikibolong eh. Tuin apa sa ding mo? Ama sa kain, abalin bibisi sa kasanin at tuin din. Jule dunia di bate mga bolang jule haulam kai mo zong si chunga zong atung ben zong ki ba tu isai in.
Nagtangay guys.
Hulo tao.